Hi, it's Lou again. Here's why LinkedIn is a really good thing in 2018. It is the new CV. There may be jobs out there that still want you to write a CV and a covering letter, so it's good to have an up-to-date CV. But this is your shop window, and anybody who's interested in you as a professional is going to come and have a look on here before they go anywhere else. Increasingly, as well, jobs are asking for a LinkedIn profile as part of the application process, and the best ones actually draw the information from your LinkedIn up into the application form, so you don't even need to fill out more than the personal statement. That is fabulous. And if you ever find yourself seriously job hunting, then it's an absolute boon. So LinkedIn is a good thing. I absolutely believe that. It was clunky when it first started, so if you tried it early on and didn't like it, give it another go and think of it as an online public CV that anyone can check. Just a final word of warning. It's better to have no LinkedIn page than to have one that just is neglected, doesn't have a picture, is out of date. People are going to judge you professionally if that's the case. Whereas if you don't have a LinkedIn profile, at least you preserve a little bit of an air of mystery. So think about it, whether it's because you are filling in funding bids or doing networking opportunities or wanting to do some research. Anything that helps you get out there professionally and well known that is as smooth as LinkedIn, I think is a really good thing. If there's demand, I'm more than happy to put a training session on digitally for how to use the platform.